I'm ready to insert my stairway. I'm going to come over here to the search and type in stairway. This is the one I want, so I'm going to drag it over, but it's not quite the size I want to fit my building. So I'm going to change the dimensions by clicking on this left white square here, and I'm going to change the length and the width to 55. Now it's a little bit tall, so I'm going to click on this top white square, the height, and change it to 35. Great. Now it's already selected, so I'm going to hold down my shift button to also select my building. Now I can see my rectangle is around both shapes, so both are selected. I'm going to come up here and choose Align. I'm going to align it to this center button and this center button, and then I've got it right where I want it, right in the middle of my building.